Hey, I'm Rohan Ganachari from Finsweet, and I'm the product owner of CMS Bridge. In this tutorial, let's learn how to connect single reference and multi-reference fields in CMS Bridge. I already set up a demo project building on top of our motorcycles concept from the last tutorial. Let me walk you through it. In Webflow, we've now got three collections: motorcycles, brands, and countries. The motorcycles collection is our main collection. It's got a single reference field to the brands collection because every motorcycle would have one brand, and a multi-reference field to the countries collection because those motorcycles are available in multiple countries. Following this logic, we built the same setup in Airtable. We've got three tables, also called motorcycles, brands, and countries. Now, this is important. We need to configure both reference fields inside Airtable. So let's edit the single reference field for brands. Here, we need to ensure that this toggle is off, so Airtable knows that we'll link to only one record. Next, I highly recommend that you activate this option to limit record selection to a view, and choose the same view that's dedicated to sync with the website, so that you can be sure that only approved records will be linked. Next, let's edit the multi-reference field for countries. Here, we need to ensure that this toggle is on, so Airtable knows that we can link to multiple records. Again, I highly recommend that you activate this option to limit record selection to a view, and choose the same view that's dedicated to sync with the website, so that you can be sure that only approved records will be linked. Alright, so we've got three Webflow collections and three Airtable tables, which means we'll need three connections in CMS Bridge. We need to build connections for brands and countries so that we can activate the reference field linking inside the motorcycles connection. Let me show you what that means. Inside the motorcycle connection, you can see there are reference fields available to link, but you can't fully link them just yet, and that's because we haven't built connections for them. So let's do it. Click Create a new connection. Let's reuse the tokens because we've got the same website and the same base. We'll start with brands, and that data lives in Webflow, so the source will be Webflow. Select the website, select the table, select the collection. We've already explained mandatory fields in the previous tutorial. If you need a refresher, please check that out. Let's fast forward through this section. I'll link the logo and the description fields as well. Now, let's go back to the motorcycles connection and see. We can now fully link the brand's reference field. Great. Now, it's time for an important explanation. If we sync the motorcycles connection, CMS Bridge will perform a partial sync for brands. Partial sync will either create, update, or clear only the name field and link the data. Partial sync happens only with reference fields. So, if we sync the motorcycles connection, CMS Bridge will import only the names of brands and connect them to the motorcycles data. If we want to import the logo and the description of the brands, then we need to sync the brands connection. Let's see this in action. I'll publish the motorcycles connection. In the brands table, you can see only the names are created and each one is connected to a motorcycle. Now, we'll publish the brands connection to import logo and description fields as well. Done. That was a single reference database sync. Next, we'll focus on the country's data. The process is exactly the same. I'll create a new connection, reuse the tokens, but this time the source is Airtable. Let's select the mandatory fields, and it's time to fast forward. Let's go back to the motorcycles connection. Need to change the direction of data flow. We can now fully link to the country's reference field. I'll also link the count field, and as you can see, it's a native Airtable field that we can now use in our Webflow collection. Since the countries table does not have any other data, we can just publish the motorcycles connection. And done. That was a multi-reference database sync. Finally, let's check it out in Webflow CMS. I've refreshed the tab, and there you see, we've got all 15 items for countries. And in one of the CMS items, we can see the multi-reference links. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need help, please go to our official support channel, Finsweet forum, and make a post. Our support team will be happy to help. Continue learning more about CMS Bridge in the next videos. And please support our YouTube SEO by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. See you next time.